presents. So with our chicken wings, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grab one here and see that bone here. I'm just gonna cut that because we don't need this part. So, and again, we can cut this into two parts. So find your bone, which is right here. And I'm gonna put my knife down nice and easy. There you go, look at that. Beautiful. So here's our wings, they're all ready. I'm just gonna place them back into a bowl and we're gonna season it. I'm gonna start with garlic, it's gonna add a really nice flavor. Squeeze that through. Freshly ground black pepper. Celery salt. Paprika. For a slight kick, I'm using a red chili. Finally, a good touch of salt. I'm going to give this a really good mix using my hands, so make sure you wash them before you use it. Alright, so here we go. After I've mixed it, I'm just gonna let it sit for around an hour or two. You can also leave it overnight for best results, okay?
No! God, please, no!
Look at that. Looks fantastic. Plain flour. Add it nice and slow. Gonna season our flour with the pepper. Good touch of that. Touch of salt as well. A bit of the red chili. Give this a good mix using a spoon. Grab your chicken wings. Coat the chicken wings with the flour. There we go. Just add some at a time and give it a good mix here. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Grab a plate. We're gonna get some cold water. Just gonna place it here. So this is what we're gonna do. So here we go, our chicken wings. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna dip it in the water. And just leave it there for a few seconds. Grab your chicken wings again. Put it back into the flour. Coat it nicely. There we go. And this is what you're looking for, okay? So I'm just gonna start placing it here on a plate. So do that for all of your wings. Again, coating the flour in the cold water. Leave it there for a few seconds.
6.5 hours later.
Take it out into the flour
2,000 years later.
and mix that in. There we go. If you want, you can extra coat it for that crispiness into the flour. Remove the excess flour and back into there. Leave it for a few seconds and I'm just gonna take it here, add it back in there. Coat it again. Remove the excess flour onto our plate. I'm just going to add a touch of flour there to ensure our oil is nice and hot, nice and easy. Start placing that. Look at that, beautiful. Never overcrowd your chicken, just some at a time. We're going to cook this until nice and golden brown. It's going to take around 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, so the chicken is done. I'm just gonna start taking on this beautiful paper here. Nice and easy. Look at that. Nice and crispy. Amazing.
I feel good.
Oh, looks so delicious, trust me. I love my fried chicken, trust me. Oh man. Look at that. Put the sauce in with the butter. Let it melt. In with the favorite hot sauce. Half a cup of water in there as well. In with the paprika. A bit of the red chili. Touch of salt. Buffalo sauce has a light sweetness into it, so I'm just going to use 2 teaspoons of sugar in there. Touch of soy sauce. Just a teaspoon of vinegar. Give this a good mix. After you've mixed it, just let it simmer for around 5 minutes. Our sauce is going to naturally thicken up as we're using a bit of sugar, so there's no need to use corn flour at this stage. So let it simmer. So it's been 5 minutes. The sauce looks fantastic. Just turn off the heat now. So our wings are ready. Look at them. They look marvelous. Trust me. Beautiful. I'm just going to add them nice and easy into this bowl here. Look at that. Beautiful. That buffalo sauce we made, I'm just going to add a good spoon of that onto there. Look at that. That looks amazing. What I'm going to do now is, with the help of a spoon, I'm just going to give it a mix. Look at that. That looks delicious. Look at this beauty. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Look at that. Looks fantastic. Bismillah. Wow. Oh, so delicious. Wow. So delicious. Trust me.
Oh my god!
Look at this. Perfectly seasoned. Make sure you definitely try it. Make for your mom.
Do it!
Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care, enjoy my videos. Any suggestions, please leave them down below. Salam.